do you store large diamond paintings if you don't know how to frame or just don't want it framed or hung? Do you store it flat, rolled beads on the outside, etc.? If you want to store them flat, you can always place them under your bed or under the couch or somewhere, provided that you protect it from dust and dirt. So you just put it in like one of those airtight sort of vacuum seal bags, and it should be perfectly fine in them, stored underneath a bed or any large furniture. Another way of storing your canvases, if you're not yet going to frame them, is to place them in art tubes, and we actually have some of those here at the shop, and here Reggie's going to demonstrate how to use them.
Hi. So part of the question is, how do you store a painting as big as this, which is pretty much as tall as this kid right here. Who's this kid? Oh, it's my son. See how big he is? Or tiny? He's a pretty large. This is a pretty large painting. So how do you store this? Thank you, Rocket. Okay, this is the original Rocket. We have a previous version, and this is Rocket 2.0. Okay, this is named after this kid right here beside me. And as you can see, this is way too small. We simply just need to, we have to loosen this strap, and you simply have to extend this enough for either the length or the width of the painting. So now, it is now big enough. So you simply pop the top like this, flip this over, just roll it, not too tightly, just enough. Get your tube. Get your tube. Thank you, Rocket.
And let me try to close it.
It's in right there, inside. And close the lid, Rocket. Thank you. And that's it.